Hi everyone, Jack and Miso from英作文会話 community here again. As always with my videos with Miso, today's video is meant as listening practice for you. And today we are talking about Thanksgiving. And as some of you might know, this Thursday is the holiday of Thanksgiving in America. And there are a couple different versions of Thanksgiving, so today I'm going to be talking about American Thanksgiving. So in this video, I'm just going to talk a little bit about the holiday's history and how we celebrate it in America. And if you're interested, maybe some things you can do to celebrate it here in Japan. So let's get started. Alright, so Thanksgiving is originally a holiday to celebrate the harvest. And in America, we started celebrating this holiday when Europeans were first starting to come to America. And at the time, it was a lot of war with the native people of America, or Native Americans. So this holiday is special because it's a time when the Europeans who were coming to America and fighting the natives came together and had a meal with the Native Americans. So this is kind of the background of the holiday. It's meant as a time to come together and eat a meal and be a family of sorts. And in modern days, that's exactly what it is. We usually get all of our family together, and America is very large, so people live very far away from their family. But on Thanksgiving, everyone comes together to one house and eats a meal together. So that is the core of the holiday. And we always celebrate Thanksgiving on the third Thursday of November. So Thanksgiving is this holiday when everyone comes together as a family and you eat a very specific meal. So Thanksgiving has another nickname in America, and that is Turkey Day. So the food that you eat at Thanksgiving is very specific. And the main thing you must eat on Thanksgiving is turkey. And I don't mean like sliced turkey. I mean a whole turkey. So a very big turkey that feeds your entire family. And this is the main image I think of when I think of Thanksgiving. And a few other things we often eat are mashed potatoes and cranberry sauce and green beans. I'm sure everyone's family has different side dishes that they eat with turkey, but my family usually eats those. But I'm pretty sure everyone always eats turkey. So if you're interested in celebrating Thanksgiving in Japan, if you can find some turkey, or if you can't find that, maybe some chicken, and eat that as a family, you can celebrate it here too. Other than that, there is nothing else to Thanksgiving. There's no present giving and no Santa Claus or anything like that. It's just a day to come together as a family and eat a meal to celebrate the harvest. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in studying English more, please click the link below and sign up for a lesson with me at英作文会話 community. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.